Hi, Ed Diaz here. In today's video, we're going to learn how to use the step sequencer inside the Roland System-8. The System-8 has a 64-step sequencer in it, so let's learn how to program it. In our example, I'm going to only use 16 of the 64 steps, but if I wanted to adjust how many steps, it's very easy. So in order to change the steps, we're going to press and hold the Edit button in the step sequencer and also press the Length button, like this. Edit, and then Length. Now we can use the dial knob and adjust how many steps we want in our step sequence, with the limit being at 64. For our example, I'm going to go ahead and put it back on 16. Now let's make a basic sequence inside the step sequencer and by using step record. Press the step record button. And for my example, I'm going to use 16 random notes. Notice that my step recorder is now full. Now let's press the start button. Let's adjust the tempo. Very, very easy. Now let's go ahead and listen to some of the different play modes that are available to us inside the step sequencer. So I'm going to put mine to where the step sequence goes forward all the way. So let's give that a listen. Now let's listen to it going backwards. Move the play mode knob. Now let's make it so it goes back and forth. Now let's make it so it goes inverted. Now let's make it go random. And the last play mode is key trigger. So as you see, there's a lot of different play modes inside the step sequencer that could be a lot of fun. So now I'm going to go ahead and put it back on forward, and let's take a listen to the gate. So what you're going to notice on the gate, as I turn the knob to the left, it's going to make the step sequence sound more staccato or detached and separated. If I move the gate to the right, it's going to make it sound more legato or smooth and connected. So let's start in the middle, and the first example you hear is a staccato going to the left, and the next example will be more of a legato going to the right. So let's listen to that now. Now let's check out the shuffle feature on the step sequencer. Now let's go ahead and check out the next two buttons, which are called first step and last step. So what this means is we can go ahead and adjust where the step sequence starts and where it ends instantly, so on the fly. And I'm going to press and hold first step, and you see it blinking. I'm going to adjust where the first step of the step sequence is, and now I'm going to adjust the last step of where the step sequence is. And now let's press play. I'm going to adjust first step again. Press and hold first step. Let's adjust last step. Adjust again. Adjust again. Now let's put the play mode to random. Adjust first step. And now let's take them off. So as you can see, these are just some of the basic functions of the step sequencer inside the Roland System-8. Practice with these, have some fun with them, and then a future video we'll explore some of the more advanced features. All right, you guys take care.